Today on Enso Homestead, it's the night before our first winter snowstorm. It may be a little hard to see, but the first flakes of snow are starting to come down. I've got an exposed pit that's got our water lines running through it. I'm going to try my best to see if I can insulate them a little bit before the freeze comes. So I put some corrugated pipe over it to try to help insulate, and I'm going to try to put a bunch of this scrap rigid foam over it to hopefully protect it before the real freeze comes in the snow. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if our pipes froze. Alright, so it looks like our pipes did freeze, so now we have to come up with plan B. I was able to bleed some of the lines inside the pump house, so hopefully this helps. If I can just get a little bit of a trickle of water inside the pipes will warm up. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, that was a close one. Alright, hooray, looks like we got the water going.